Revv and Spectre Media Group and Glenn Fricker proudly present the Northern Mauler signature pedal for Mr. Glenn Fricker. Signature on the bottom. Well, printed one. Still cool. Hard clicky. This is a combination of a Revv drive circuit and what they call the Swedish Chainsaw or a Boss HM2. Got, what do we got? What even is this? Feet. Groovy. Manual. Don't care. The fun thing that came with was these Swedish berries. So, Swedish Chainsaw portion of the circuit. There's a bear graphic with light up eyes. Swedish berries. Cool. Commence laughter. Okay, great. We're gonna plug this thing in. All right, plugged in. Forgive the glare. It's gonna be kind of a pain to see the lines on the knobs here. Really wish I could stand this thing up right now, but the fact of the matter is I can't. All knobs at 0. Okay, I get nothing. Okay, so you've got a Revv circuit over here, which apparently is kind of maybe a mixture of a G3 and G4. I believe technically it is a new voicing. You've got blend, so it's basically two sides. You've got overall volume, overall gain, and then in red over here you've got bite and growl, which are characters for the chainsaw side, and then blend, which will allow you to blend this half and this half. And on the right you do have giver, which again is gain, treble, mid, and bass. And again, that's everything. So that's everything at noon, but blend on the chainsaw side. Not a bad sound. Hard to tell in the light here, but the eyes, they light up. Depending on how much gain you have. I wanted to see if they could be seen via the berries. Bear with me here. That was unintended. Let's turn the light off. Let's find out. Okay, you can't see it. Okay, let's blend to the middle. So you already have a different character for sure. Definitely more output on the Revv circuit side. Get the berries back. But if we add a little more bass, a little more treble, so that's all Revv, gain at about noon. Neat. And then if we blend, no berries, no. Actually, let's go full chainsaw again. So I think it's these 4 knobs technically. So the gain is still relevant, but the bite and growl are those characteristics. Anyway, that sounds pretty good. Not like the chainsaw of yesteryear that some people adore and everybody else hates. That sounds really nice. A little more of the Revv side here. Let's go all treble. I love that. Okay. Gain all the way down. So you can actually go pretty mild with this. That's 100% Revv side, mid and bass, noonish, treble, all the way up. Okay. So fortunately not super spiky. I'm sure my phone speakers are picking this all up very well. Sounds nice though. The Northern Mauler from Revv and SMG / Glenn Fricker. Pretty killer. If you want to know more, go to revamplification.com, or you can go to, I think it's spectrumediagroup.com or SMG Studio. Just Google it, you'll find it. You can pick them up for $249 American. I'm sorry for any clipping. Still working on getting the generator 120 this is plugged into to go direct properly. So anyway, I just wanted to get this out there. Take care.